Hello, my name is Dhruv Bansal. My roll number is 1019150061 and my batch is ENC3. Today, here I am presenting my Arduino based project on social distancing detection system. Social distancing, also called the physical distancing, means keeping a safe space between yourself and other people who are not from your household. As we all know that India is now facing the second wave of COVID-19 and even our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has spoken about keeping social distancing to fight this deadly virus, but it is actually very difficult to always keep in mind of maintaining a suitable distance with each other. In this project, I have built a simple prototype of social distancing detector with the help of Arduino Uno ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. I have used LED indication, a buzzer for sound indication, and also use a LCD to display message according to the distance between two individuals. All the connections are made on the breadboard, and this potentiometer is used to control the intensity of the LCD display. Now I would like to explain the working. As mentioned earlier, ultrasonic sensor is the main unit that is responsible for measuring the distance. Arduino Uno acts as the main controlling unit that will control the ultrasonic sensor, calculate the distance, and activate the LCD, buzzer, and the LED. The principle of the circuit is ultrasonic sensor sends the acoustic pulse and the Arduino measures the interval of each reflected signal. Based on the time interval, Arduino then calculates the distance of the object. Arduino then activates the LED, buzzer, and the LCD display. I have used the RGB LED to represent the various range of distances. When the distance is less than 91 centimeter, that is less than 3 feet, it will show red color and the LCD shows maintained distance. The buzzer also produces the sound in this case. When the distance is between 91 centimeter to 183 centimeter, that is 3 to 6 feet, it will show blue color and LCD shows satisfactory. And when the distance is greater than 183 centimeter, that is greater than 6 feet, it will show green color and LCD displays excellent. Now, I would like to explain my code. As you can see here, I have included the liquid crystal library because I have used the LCD display and I have initialized the ports of the LCD. In the line 5 and line 6, I have initialized the pins of the ultrasonic sensor. Like I have written eco equal to 7. It means, as you can see here, that the eco pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 7th pin of the Arduino. Now in the setup section, I have initialized all the input output pins. The line number 14 and 15 are used to initialize the echo and the trigger pin, which are the pins of the ultrasonic sensor. The pin 13 is connects the piezoelectric buzzer, and the rest three pins are used for connection of the LED. Now, in first of all, I have written the code for calculating the distance. The ultrasonic sensor sends the pulse, and whenever there is an obstacle in the path, the pulse is bounced back and it is received by the receiver. The distance the distance is calculated with the help of the duration. As you can see here in the line 33, I have calculated the duration using the Pulsion function. Now we all know that the distance is speed into time, and here I have taken the speed as 0.034 centimeter per second, which is the speed of sound in air in centimeter per second. And I have divided it the whole by 2 because the duration we take is from when we transfer the pulse till we receive, that is it is twice, so we have to divide it. Now I have written the three conditions. The first condition is like the distance is less than 91 centimeter, the distance is between 91 to 183 centimeter, and when the distance is greater than 183 centimeter, the LCD will glow according to the condition and the different message will be displayed on the LED. Now I will like to stimulate. As you can see here that when the distance is greater than 6 feet, that is 183 centimeter, the color of the LED is green and the LCD displays the message excellent. Now when we decrease the distance. As you can see here, 132 centimeter, that is the distance is between 91 centimeter to 183 centimeter. The color of the LED is blue and the message which is on the LCD is satisfactory. And now when the distance is less than 91 centimeter, the color of the LED is red and the message is maintain distance, and you can also see that the buzzer is also producing the sound. This is the main working of this project. Now as we increase the distance, color changes, and the perfect distance for maintaining the perfect minimum distance is 6 feet, which would prevent the spread of the virus. This is all. Thank you.